The Ender 3 V3 KE 3D printer is renowned for its impressive high-speed printing capabilities, reaching speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, making it highly efficient for rapid prototyping. A smart algorithm enhances print quality by compensating for resonance and ensuring precise flow control, preventing common issues like bulging edges or incomplete starting points. Equipped with an advanced Sprite Direct Extruder, this printer can handle a variety of materials such as PLA, PETG, ABS, and more, thanks to its ability to reach temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The precision linear rails on the x-axis provide accurate positioning and smooth motion, with a low friction coefficient that supports high-speed operation without sacrificing durability. An intuitive user interface with global navigation buttons simplifies operation, offering features like one-click self-checks, automatic z-axis compensation, and real-time model previews. Smart connectivity options, including USB printing, built-in Wi-Fi, and cloud printing, allow users to easily manage and monitor multiple printers from their PC or phone.